Get back with your ex or watch your parents having sex.
Why?
Somebody asked me, would I kill my mother or sleep with her?
Why?
Would you rather have someone kill your mom or you kill? Yo, bro. Someone asked me, would I eat the both or eat dick?
Why?
You know some nasty junk in the dog. What a disgusting your fuck. But me not gonna lie to you.
Oh boy, this shit. Bitch, I'm sipping on potions. Little bitch, I'm told. In this circuit, got me gone. Send that Addy and we on. Over Addy, bitch, I'm zoning. Going slow motion.
Yeah, man. You already know, man. Right now. Wait, didn't I dance with you? Did? Alright, never. Race back again. You don't know who this side. You already know. What's going on YouTube? I don't know who this is. Seriously, boy, Mr. Mar Bang. That never. Alright, what's going on YouTube? I don't know who this side is. So boy, Mr. Mar Banger, aka Mar Banger, aka your granny favorite, your uncle favorite.
Why?
Favorite me. Alright, go. Your auntie favorite, your sister favorite, your mother favorite. I don't know. So one time I asked a girl roll with me, and you say me name, the office say yeah. But anyway, as I read of the title of the video, we are doing a would you rather, and boys, some question to get them just them question are normal at all, sir. Is it? I'll ask someone. Is everything okay at home? No. Yeah. Okay. But anyways, if you like the video, make sure you say a like. Yeah, thumb up, and box up, and kick up the like button. If you're new to ya, subscribe. Yeah, that red rectangle there. You know, see me dance, boy. Me dance, like, if dance was a somebody, it would have been me. But anyways, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell. If you don't ring the bell, then what's wrong with you? Why you have to subscribe if you're not gonna ring the bell? Ring the bell and subscribe, man. Then the man. Stop moving like that, man. Come on, man. Let's do it, man. But anyways, let's reach the next video. Alright, so first question is love it more. Would you rather? I gotta assume I love our money, but you see, love kind of rare now them days, you know, man. I know say money, rather love me, love.
Cap.
But the money would have nice too. The next one is to see the future or read minds. So I don't. Alright, yeah, dog, them stop now. So boom, rocka, then said to see the future. Yo, man, go to go poison a dog there in the man.
2,000 years later.
Alright, dog, dead. So, they said to see the future or read minds. Yeah, see the back at it. Okay. So you see now, that's to read people's mind. People kind of weird nowadays in the dog. So the read mind thing, we ain't need not to agree because. Okay, so you see now, people's minds, they're kind of weird, nasty, disgusting, disgraceful. Yeah, people in a general, them. I don't like people. And like, if you really want to read their minds, you have to have some strong stomach, because if you ever figure out what people really think about you, Jesus Christ, someone couldn't take it. Like, me know if you fuck with certain people could I read my mind, would I lose enough friend? Be your friends, me would I lose. So that read mind something then reading, but to see the future, yeah, see the future would be nice. Somebody said, get back with your ex or watch your parents having sex.
Why?
Hello? Yes. Yeah. Bro, what you mean I can't call you? I'm moving like that, bro. Yeah, see that one day now. Brother, you ready to get back with my ex? Put me a gear bun on top. Block. Me a bad man. Yeah, but when I get back next and then gear bun, then watch your parents have sex. Cause if you want to watch it, if you want to sit down there watch your parents have sex, something wrong with you. Something's wrong with you. Something wrong with you. You nasty junk girl. So yeah. Somebody said, do I rather light skins or dark skins? Oh, I don't discriminate. I talk to light skins, talk to dark skins, talk to brown skins, Spanish. But the light skin one them, you see light skin one them no? Light skin one them they love give up. They give up too much. I don't like that. But why you like what me do if you deserve to give one now? See if you give me one and me give back one now, yes, and me wicked and them weird there. But it don't matter. Would you rather dead by drone or by burn? Of course, Alex. You see now, John, we don't know what I do it, I see. And burn, what am I upon? Who am I setting upon fire? Why want to set myself upon fire? Cause burn, that painful in the dog. Like, if you really sit down and think about it. If you're dead by John, that very, like, this dog, brother, this dog is going to die. That dog, yeah, I got dead. You see, if you get like on fire, or if you catch a fire, that thing the dog.
Oh my God! Wow!
So we're not kinda dead by drowning, you know. Somebody else where I kill my mother or sleep with her.
Why?
Is everything okay at home? Everything, y'all cool at home, y'all be having dinner and shit, y'all be having a nice, happy, healthy relationship and everything. Like, cause I just feel like there's something going on with y'all at home, cause these questions y'all are asking are not normal at all. When I was little, I have a bedroom, so me and her should share a bed. So I would share a bed with her, but sleep with her. Nah, that's weird. Someone asked me, give up social media for the rest of your life or lose the most important thing you have. You see, the most important thing I rasta have, a life itself. Clap up. Inspiration. I could give it a medium. Even though I do this for a living, kind of, technically. Would you rather have someone kill your mom or you kill your bro? Wow. You think una no matter, like, una no matter have issues, like, una don't like una mother or some dog, what do wanna do now? What? Me not answer that, man. Move up, man. Someone ask somebody that eat the both or eat it.
Why?
You know some nasty junk in the dog. What a disgusting your fuck. But me not gonna lie to you. But I'm nobody dick in a dog. Me not gonna lie. So that both they get clapped down.
No, get the fuck out of the house.
This is just hypothetical, you know. No, that necessarily means me I get up and do none of them, yeah. Cause see that one day, this one right so, it never did a play. And none of them did not play. As a matter of fact, you know what? I plead the fifth. Yeah. Someone asked if on grass or on the roof. Y'all niggas are nasty. Y'all niggas are nasty. So I asked, would you rather date a Jamaican or date someone from another Caribbean? So more than one Caribbean in the boat? No. There's another. How many Caribbeans are there? No, but one Caribbean out there and about 44 plus million people live there. So I don't care. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. Would you rather date a younger girl or an older girl? Young in them now. And like me tell you, the youngest me when I talk to, I'm 16 now. Is like 14, 15 around there.
Cap.
See, I live in New York, so dating a 14-year-old is alright.
Cap.
Cause like that, you're just touching high school, like you in 9th grade. Yeah, that's calm.
Cap.
But like y'all be blowing me, bro. Y'all be over here. Y'all be heavy on the influence by the city girls. Man, y'all be popping. That's just bad. But yeah, an older girl. Would you rather come to Florida just cause you never give me someone else to pick? Man, I can say no. Come and see what they don't do. Would you rather sleep with an ex or only can kiss a girlfriend? I'm gonna kiss my girl. I'm sorry. Another one is, would you rather jump off a bridge or not be able to talk again? What go through in the head when time wanna give me them question or them something I have to pick between? When I did of what? Talk to me. Me there, me I listen. Sit through me get joke and that's something good girls. I probably say jump. No, not talk again. Come here, jump off on the bridge. Alright, would you rather rule the world or live in a world with absolutely no problems at all? If I live in a world absolutely no problem, I thought that means I dead me dead. But life itself full of problem. That'd be a problem day in a life, and that's what makes life. So when I probably rule the world. Cause boy, I said I actually need some idea for the world. Anyways, would you rather date one of your followers who's loyal or be back your mom for the time then when she did beat your wicked? You can't imagine what I beat my mother just give me some secrets. Damn. I'll probably date with one of my followers if they loyal. Yeah. Would you rather make your mom die or something?
Oh my God!
Oh, man. What? Hey, you're not gonna lie to your mommy if y'all watch this in storyboard. Ain't that
He needs some milk.
what you say? You know, one time I buried on a concrete in your grave. Alright. Yeah. Would you rather slim thick or chubby thick? That's a good question. Now he's asking if I rather this or if I rather this. See, this is nice. This is nice too. Don't get me twisted. Like, ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of body weight. Well, like, let me tell you, chubby thick girls, they be nice ass pillows. Hey, you would just be chilling there with your girl, just lay on her, and then go, what? It's nice. So, I could go for both, but I rather slim thick girls. But y'all, I hate that. Once I wanna where the rathers. Some man really need to think about in life. I gotta pray for you next time I go to church. Yeah, because uno have some problems. Yeah, uno different. Uno sick. Sick the fuck. You know, say that. I'm gonna leave out that building now. Subscribe. Like the video. The video. Comment down. What I want to see me the next. When time to subscribe, I want to make sure you turn on the bell. If you don't turn on the bell, I'm gonna turn on some thump in your forehead. Straight. Right? I'm gonna just boop in there. Yeah. Anyway, this is Mr. Marbanga, aka your god favorite, aka your cousin favorite, the auntie favorite, your sister favorite, your mother favorite, your granny favorite, your favorite, your third cousin's sister, auntie, niece, dog, mother, other cousin, granny's stepdaughter favorite. Yeah, we are down this so I'm gonna type this again. Is that